got a special thing going on. You say it's puppy love, we say it's full grown. Hope that we feel this way feel this way forever. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
Swirl.
Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Out loud, I must have $250,000 on me right now. Hard to make a song about something other than the money. Things I'm about to talking blunt and staying blunt. And pretty women, are you here? Are you here right now, huh? We should all disappear right now. Look, you're getting all your friends and you're getting in the car and you're coming to the house. I'm clear right now, huh? You see the fleet of all the new things. Cop cars with the loose chains. All white like a Mustang. Niggas see me rolling and they move change like a motherfucker. I got a dozen of them. I don't trust you, you are undercover. I could probably make some steps, sisters fuck each other. Talking fillets with the chocolate butter. Fresh sheets and towels, man, she gotta love it. Yeah, they all get what they desire from it. What? Tell them niggas we ain't hiding from it.
No girl can't tell me about my mother. 16 shots we go longer than a ladder. Them no fit talk but they real done dada. Put money in a pot, them a bun like rubber. No boy can't diss me or my mother. Round here ain't safe, everybody need ammo. 16 shots we go shot at any bladder.
Something new. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how Rough Riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how Rough Riders roll. Niggas wanna try, niggas wanna lie, then niggas wonder why, niggas wanna die. All I know is pain, all I feel is rain. How can I maintain with that shit on my brain? I resort to violence, my niggas moving silence like you don't know what I style is. New York niggas the wildest, my niggas is with it. You want it? Come and get it. Took it, then we split it. You fucking right, we did it.
Landslide, please let me off my leash. I feel it, I'm feeling too good. Like I'm a beast. Like a gorilla who's real in the hood. So I'm going on and on. I be resting when I'm gone. Rise and grind is what I'm on. Bruh, that's why I wrote the song. Tonight I'm going off like my lifespan is less all night. If I don't wake up in the morning, bruh, I'm gonna be alright. Don't caution to the wind. Let go, we about to go in. No slowing down, we go in. No slowing down, we know him. Pray.
Tonight I'll get out of follow and live like my life's over tomorrow.